welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to look at why everyone can code. So as the title suggests, everyone can code if only they would like to. And in this video, I'm going to give you the two main reasons why I think this is the case. Please, before I continue with my reasons, I would like you to like the video and do subscribe if you haven't done so. First reason is that coding itself is in English language. So if you can hear what I say now at this time in moment, it means that you can easily code. Coding is in English language because English is the standard language for coding. For instance, I studied my program in Korea and I had friends who were developers. That is, their work was to code each and every day. And these guys are people who are native Koreans. So that means that coding in English was a problem to them. And they told me that studying the language was more difficult for them. How did they go by this? They first had to study the language, that is English language, and then translate the basic terms into Korean for them to understand the use of a function, for them to understand simple methods. For instance, if you can hear me now, that means that you can easily code. If I give you a method like sort, what does it mean? Sort is English language, means to arrange something either in alphabetical order or in an order. So to you, you understand what it means by sort as a method, but to a Korean or a Chinese or someone who doesn't understand English, that would be a challenge. So they first have to translate the word from the English language to their native language. So if you understand me now, it means that you can code. Everything is in English. So we have no excuse to say coding is difficult and that I cannot code. Everyone can code. Now, the second reason is that coding is problem solving. Problem solving in the case that each and every day we solve problems in our lives. And to solve a problem in a normal life settings is similar to solving a problem in a code. What do we do when we have problems in a normal life setting? First and foremost, you have to understand the problem. So you understand the problem and then you break it down into pieces, right? The same applies to coding. So in coding, you have to first break the problem down into smaller bits and then try to handle the smaller bits before you bring everything together and then find a solution to a big problem. So don't forget, coding is a language and the standard language is English. If you can hear me, you can code. 2, we all solve problems. You have problems we face every day and we definitely come up with solutions. The same applies to coding. Coding, it's simply finding solutions to problems. So if you can speak English, you can understand, or you're willing to speak English or understand English language, and you like to solve problems, then coding is definitely for you. We can all code. Thank you very much for listening to my two main reasons why everyone can code. If you agree or disagree with me, please do comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. I'll be much grateful. Thank you very much. Bye.